In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily adjust the size of an image within your Microsoft Word document to meet specific dimensions, like 2 inches by 2 inches. This is especially useful when you need to format images for printing or to make them fit neatly within your document's layout. So let's get started. First things first, make sure that your Microsoft Word file is open and your image is readily available to be adjusted. This preparation is key as it ensures you won't lose any time hopping back and forth between files or windows. Once you're ready, go ahead and locate the image within your document. Clicking on it is the next step. This action is crucial as it will activate the various picture formatting options you need to access. Upon clicking your image, direct your attention to the top of the Microsoft Word window, where you'll find several tabs. The one you're looking for is labeled Picture Format. This tab is specifically designed to provide tools to modify your image. Click on this tab to open up a variety of image customization features. Now let's focus on the section within the Picture Format tab known as the Size group. This is where you'll input the new dimensions for your image. You should see fields for height and width. To achieve the desired 2 inch by 2 inch size, simply enter 2 in both the height and width fields. By doing so, you are instructing Word to resize your image to these exact measurements. This is a straightforward way to ensure your image maintains these set dimensions consistently within your document. At this point, if you followed along with each step, you'll have successfully resized your image to the precise dimensions you wanted. And just like that, you are done. This simple yet effective resizing process not only enhances the aesthetic alignment of images in your document, but also ensures a more professional and organized appearance overall. Remember, while this method addresses the size requirements visually on screen, it's also important to check print settings if you are aiming for a hard copy to ensure that scaling options are not set to alter these dimensions. That's all for today's quick guide on resizing images in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this instruction clear and helpful. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to guiding you through more useful tips and tricks next time.